What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is 𝐂𝐃𝐄. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we are back with another wig install. Today we're working with QVR Hair. It's our first time working with this company, so I wanted to show you guys what our package looked like and what came in our package today. Let me show you guys what I received inside my package. So alongside our wig, we did receive a few items in our package. We received a little storage bag, an edge brush, and of course their melting band. So the wig we're working today is actually one of my favorite colors. This is their 24-inch 13x4 water wavy wig, and this one is in their reddish brown color. The unit comes pre-plucked with the adjustable band on, and I did wash the unit. It's actually still wet right now. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and move along to the install, but if you want to get this wig, then go ahead and check out the link in my description box and make your purchase. This is what the unit looks like. So this is what the wig looks like now that we put it on. I actually didn't apply any foundation to this specific lace, but normally I would. I just think that this color is super dark, so once I'm finished like melting the lace, then it will blend really well. But this is it. This is what it's looking like. Let's go ahead and install our unit. For today's install, I will be using my Even Wonder Lace Bond Vitamin E Melting Spray. Now I'm about to remove the ear tabs, cut this into 3 sections before gluing the unit. I feel like it's way better to glue it that way. The wig sits on my head pretty good. I feel like if it was like one size down, it would have been tight, but it just sits on there. I can feel it. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Around the hairline, I didn't do anything to it. The only thing I did was to wash the unit, but it's given us a really plucked hairline. I didn't apply any foundation to the lace. I feel like with this color I don't need to do that because it will blend regardless. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish installing this unit. Alright guys, so this is the final look. The unit is super pretty. It's still a little wet, but it is giving us a really gorgeous finish. I love this color. I love how this came out. It is a 10 out of 10 for me. I really love how this unit looks right now. Like, this is it. Again, this unit is from QVR Hair, and this is a 10 for me. Like, it is super pretty. If you want to get this unit, make sure you click that link in my description and make your purchase. This is what our wig is looking like. This is where I'm leaving you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.